In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep line-in labels from overlapping lines in Tableau. This tutorial will walk you through a straightforward process to enhance the clarity and presentation of your data visualizations by avoiding those pesky label overlaps. So, let's dive right in and make your Tableau visualizations look more professional. To get started, open the Tableau public app on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from the Tableau website. Once the application is up and running, navigate to your workspace and access the worksheet you want to adjust. It's crucial to ensure you're in the correct sheet where the label overlap issue is occurring so you can apply these changes effectively. Next, click on the Analysis menu at the top and select Create Calculated Field. This is the feature that will allow us to manipulate the data to prevent overlaps. Once in the Calculated Field dialog box, give your calculation a name that makes sense to you. Then type your query into the text area provided. After you're satisfied with what you've entered, click OK to save it. Now we're going to use this calculated field to enhance our graph. Open the calculated field section again, repeat the process, naming your field appropriately, and typing in the necessary query, then click OK to confirm it. With these calculated fields now created, drag them over to the Detail area in Tableau. This step is essential for integrating your new calculations into the visualization and setting the stage for how the labels will behave along your data lines. Before we proceed further, make sure both fields are correctly set up. Right-click on each one and choose Continuous from the options. Doing this will ensure the data works seamlessly along the continuous axis, which is crucial for preventing those overlapping labels. Next, right-click on the Date axis and select Add Reference Line. For this reference line, select the Entire Table option and then choose Min Date for the value. This reference line helps structure the visual space on your chart. Importantly, set the label, tooltip, and line options to none, then click OK. You'll need to repeat this process again. Right-click once more on the Date axis and choose Add Reference Line. Select Entire Table and this time opt for Max Date as the value. Just like before, set these to max and make the label, tooltip, and line options none. This ensures that your chart remains clean and focused solely on the data, not unnecessary labels or lines. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully managed to keep those line-in labels from overlapping your lines, making your Tableau charts look neater and more readable. I hope this tutorial helps you create clearer, more effective data visualizations. Thanks for watching, and make sure to practice these steps to master label management in Tableau. See you in the next video.